Students, today we are going to do Class 10 English Chapter 5 The 100 Dresses Part 1 by L. Basoor Esther. Now in this chapter we come across two girls, Maddie and Peggy, and we come across Wanda Petronsky who has come from Poland, who is a Polish girl. Okay, she is immigrated from another country to this place. Okay, so in this video I have given the MCQs from this chapter. Who is the author of the 100 Dresses? The author is D. L. Basoor Esther. Who were the two best friends? We know the two best friends were Peggy and Maddie. Option A. Where in the classroom does Wanda sit? Wanda sits in the end corner of the classroom. Option A. Why Wanda used to sit there? Wanda used to sit there because her feet were filled with dirt and mud. That is why Wanda sat there. Which classroom did they all sit in? They all sat in room 13. Question 6. Who was the most popular girl in school? The most popular girl in school was Peggy. Why did they wait for Wanda? They waited for Wanda to make fun of her. Who were they? They were Peggy and Maddie. How would you describe Wanda's dress? Wanda's dress is described as not ironed properly, was clean but not ironed properly, and was faded blue dress. So all of the above. Option D. What tells you that Peggy wasn't cruel? It is all of the above, as Peggy protected small children from bullies, could not stand animals getting mistreated, did not make Wanda cry, although they kept on making fun of her, but she never made her cry. So all of the above. Option D. Why was Peggy's game bothering Maddie? Peggy's game was bothering Maddie because she feared she had been next to get teased. That is option C. She feared this because she always had hands-on dresses from Peggy, and that is what she wore to school, and if she started teasing her, every child in the school would come to know about this. How many shoes did Wanda say she had? She said she had 60 pairs of shoes. Option D. Why was Maddie glad even when she was late for school? Maddie was glad even when she was late for school because they could not make fun of Wanda, because Wanda was also late to school. What reason did Maddie give herself to justify teasing Wanda? The justification she gave it to herself is option C. Peggy was the best liked girl and could not do anything wrong. Why did Maddie not write to Peggy in the first place? Maddie did not write to Peggy in the first place because it is option A. She was afraid she had been next to get teased. Why did the drawing and coloring contest mean for the girls and boys? It meant designing dresses for the girls and motorboats for the boys. Where did they used to wait for Wanda? They waited for Wanda on Oliver Street. Who did Maddie think would win the contest? She always thought that Peggy would win the contest. Option C. What was the room covered with? The room was covered with drawings of girls, drawings of boys, 100 drawings of Wanda. So option D, all of the above. Why did Peggy say, and I thought I could draw? Peggy said, and I thought I could draw is that she had won the medal always. Wanda's drawings were amazing. She thought Wanda could draw better. But now she realized that it wasn't that. It wasn't the fact that she could draw only, Wanda could draw better. So all of the above, option D. Miss Mason said, look at her exquisite drawings. What is the meaning of exquisite? Exquisite, option D, extremely beautiful and well made. What was Maddie's full name? Maddie's full name is Madeline, option B. This is the correct spelling. Who won the drawing contest? The drawing contest was won by Wanda, option B. How many drawings did Wanda draw? Wanda drew 100 dresses. How many dresses did Wanda say were lined up in her closet? There were 100 of them. Option A. What was Wanda's full name? Wanda's full name was Wanda Petronsky. I hope you have understood all the multiple choice questions. The answer key is given below. I hope you like it and you go through the chapter.